Hello girls and gays. I am going thrift shopping. I am looking for basically like winter-ish pieces, fall-ish pieces and stuff like that. I'm going with my mans. So we're going to the thrift and I'm just going to take you guys along with me. So hopefully we find some cool stuff and I will show you guys what I got and how we styling it at the end of this. But yes, it is currently, y'all can't see that, but it's 12:44. We're on a snack break right now and then we're going to head out. Use my code at the do.
I already got black shorts. I gotta stop. I'm gonna get pants, but these just look so generic. Everything looks the same.
Why boys? Why y'all jeans be? My jeans are one number. Y'all be having these.
Probably need to go. Are these shorts hidden?
Not these shorts hidden.
They done found me.
Oh,
Gray.
it's like a frost.
It's hidden. Like when she's screaming.
You're the worst.
That shit crazy. Me.
Y'all. To you. Guys, I'm looking for, I think I already told them, I'm looking for fall and winter fashion-esque stuff.
That's what I should be looking for, but I found shorts, and I'm mesmerized by shorts. And that happens every, look, I just found some polo shorts.
Those are cute.
I gotta get these. They're like a basketball short material, too. Now that sucks, because that's 2 pairs of blue shorts I'm getting.
If you don't get one pair, I'll get one pair. Bye.
No, you're not taking my shorts.
Guys. So I found these jeans. I have 4 pairs of jeans in the cart right now. Like,
Let me get to the front. It might be easier for me to push this direction. You know, if I could find a windbreaker, pants and top, I'll be in there. That's what I'm here for today.
that's what he's here for today.
I want a wind. Ooh.
I'm looking through like the men's type section of clothing because I'm looking for things that like are a little bit more baggy or traditionally. There's this man following me. Oh, he went the other way. It's my boyfriend. I'm joking.
I'm about to look in the jackets.
This feels nice.
What does?
This little shirt in a funky way.
Yeah, those all look like those shirts that dudes wear before like a movie starts. Something crazy about to happen to them, and now they're gonna be wearing a beat up version of that shirt. Everything's cool, and then Wolf of Wall Street happens.
He's a hater.
I need a new wallet. Have I shown you mine after the wash? Terrible. Beat the hell up. I couldn't imagine pulling this out of my pocket.
Do you think this looks cute?
I think that'll work. I can imagine you bending that more. Those other shirts just look like too normal.
What do y'all think?
Better cut that ass up.
They can hear everything here.
Oh.
I'm gonna put in just the audio at the end of the video.
Last night I took a honey pack. Before I got injured, I was like, oh, this lady gave me a free honey pack at the smoke shop, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just take it. So that was the plot, but she wants to go work out real quick. And, oh yeah, for sure. It was raining a little bit, and I heard it was gonna be storming, but I thought that's as bad as it's gonna get. Go out there.
This is a super nice shirt.
It almost fucking kills me out there.
Anyway, I'm sorry to interrupt his crackhead of a story.
Oh yeah, let me finish. So we go to the gym, it starts raining real hard. As we're leaving, I bust my ass, shattering my wrist. I am broken right now, in pieces, but I still managed to get home. Cook us a delicious din-din that she thought wasn't even gonna be fucking possible.
No.
2 potatoes, it's gonna take you 4 hours. That's because she make them in the fucking oven. I done lived through it. I didn't have no microwave sometimes. I mean, I didn't have no oven. Dude, I done made baked potatoes on the sidewalk before, baby. In the hood, it's hotter than any other. You can go 6 miles east, and it's less hot than in the hood. You hear me? Yo. Still make din-din, and as I do that, the pain in my arm is increasing, but I'm determined.
Determined.
So I grab that honey pack, knock it back. I think I actually knocked it back
When did
before
you
we
do
went.
this?
I think I did that before. I think I did that whenever you came and then went to the restroom to go pee. So I took that, and that's probably why I was still eager, because oh my God, my was fighting, punching the inside of my pants. Come on. At this point, I'm in pieces. I'm realizing my body isn't handling this pain well either. And the only thing that has any energy is my waist down. That motherfucker wide awake. So, how do you trick me to get over here?
Huh?
You tricked me to get on the girl side.
I didn't know where you were going.
No.
I thought you were just, I'm looking for vests, sweaters, and cardigans. I love a shirt shaped like this.
I like that too. Shaped? What? I love a shirt shaped like this. This is the most, what do you mean? See, this is what I'm looking for. A windbreaker. I found it on the men's side. Seems like some Raven Baxter would wear. Am I hot? I was like, why does it feel like we're leaving somebody?
Now we're leaving somebody.
Exactly,
guys, he
like
feels like you guys are somebody too. That's so sweet.
Baddie alert.
Baddie? Child?
No. I meant for me. You'll turn me into a baddie.
Y'all, tell me this doesn't eat down.
She would have been killing people. She's Freddy Krueger.
Tell me this doesn't eat. And it's a Dickies. That eats. I think if you wore that outside, you would get a lot of compliments. I bet you money that. I think someone would say,
yeah, man, see you in my dreams. Got her. She ate the potatoes that my broken ass hand made last night. She let me.
That hand don't look too broke to me. Y'all see the faking?
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
I need a windbreaker.
Who is Quinn?
Quinn.
Who Quinn?
Quinn. Digimon. Ah! Oh my God.
He's faking, y'all. That's crazy. Let me tell you guys how me and my boyfriend met. So,
what did I do?
I was in the 8th grade.
Whoa. Hold on, that sounds crazy. I did not know this woman. You're speaking too much.
He was in high school while I was in 8th grade.
All right, okay, well.
But we met much
Let's
later.
Not do all that, lady.
I was in the adult world and he was in the adult world.
We don't have to do all that. There we go. Much after she lived a life and realized, you know what,
19.
I like older men.
I was definitely 19.
Okay, hold on. It's still a long time, okay? I can't believe you're saying these things to me.
That's 4 years later. That's not much later.
Let's emphasize legal, and at the time she could drink it.
But I also could not drink. He's saying that. I literally couldn't.
Well, you were, weren't you?
I was.
So let's talk about how evil she was. Let's talk about the semen demon she was acting like.
Semen demon?
Sitting there trying to blame me.
Did y'all hear that? It's like these pajamas. They're kind of cute. Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, hear me out. Look at this suit. Isn't this crazy looking?
Isn't it?
I'm coming back. It's like a bunch of days later, weeks to be honest. I wanted to show you guys a whole lot of stuff I ended up keeping and not keeping, and it's gonna be kind of like a little fun for me because I haven't seen it in a minute. But okay, so first I ended up taking this Patagonia vest. It's just something that's super cute, right, to like throw on, especially because I like go to church and stuff. Next, I got this, it's just a brown H&M top. Super cute. I think it's gonna pair really well for like layering, more so of a taupe color. It's in a taupe type color. It also has like the V-cut detailing, so I really liked that. Next, I got this, a little flannel type situation, like again, or a shacket, whatever you want to call it. This next one, it looks a little odd. Look at this. Yo, I forgot I got this. Look at the pattern. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's super. I got a red shirt. Very fall coated, I personally feel like, or like a little Valentine's Day kind of thing. It feels a little thicker than most shirts, like a thicker type of cotton, but this was also $7. And next, I got another red top. Detailing in the color, like the ribbed detailing kind of in the color, or I think it's called heathering. I think it's a red heathered type of situation. I don't know if heather is just gray. I really want to get into like looser jeans. I'm such a tight jeans kind of girly, and I love that, but I feel like sometimes the way my body's set up, it take away from the aesthetic of the whole outfit when my jeans are kind of tight. I got this pair of Levi's, right? She's super big in the waist, so I'm gonna have to get these taken in. They're $10. So $10 for a pair of baggy jeans. Yeah. Lastly, I got another pair of jeans. These are a pair of, I want to say Wrangler. Yeah, they're Wrangler jeans, and these were $10 as well. And same thing, oversized, nice jean detail. But that is all that I got on this thrifting haul. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. If you like these types of videos, please be sure to let me know. I love these types of things. I like second-handing things and just going to thrift stores. That's become one of my favorite things to do. So if you guys want to see more stuff like this, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when I post. Be part of the village, part of the family. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked in the description below. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!